Hello students, today we will start with the next function, that is coordination. We will begin with the introductory part. Coordination means what? To synchronize. Synchronize means to get together the efforts of all people working in an organization. See, in the organization, all have to work together. It's a teamwork. And after all, whatever you work, you have to synchronize. You have to get together whatever the work have been done by you. Now, coordination is not a separate function of management. It is an essence of management. Why it is called essence of management? See, like salt is important for test in similar. You have prepared some very tasty recipe and you forgot to put salt in it. So how it will taste? Same way, coordination also the same thing. Coordination is, that's why coordination is called essence of management. You have all the functions, but you have to, at the end you have to coordinate all these functions, then only it is possible to get the result. See, the same thing has been given, planning and all these things are there, functions, management functions, and this have to be together, and that is possible only because of coordination. Coordination means to synchronization of efforts of all the departments. Now see, they have given Henry Fayol's definition. To coordinate is to harmonize all the activities of a concern to facilitate the working and its success. सी कोऑर्डिनेट म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, तर प्रत्येक वेळेला तुम्हाला एकत्र करणं, टू मेक टुगेदर. Now let's see the importance of coordination. First point is it encourage team spirit. See students, in organization, मी स्टार्टिंग पासूनच सांगत आलेली आहे की ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये, कंपनीमध्ये काम करताना तुम्हाला टीमवर्क म्हणून काम करायचं असतं. इन ऑर्गनायझेशन ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स वर्क टुगेदर. Coordination arranges the work in such a way that minimum conflicts are raised. It increases the team spirit at workplace, and because of coordination it is possible to develop, to build team spirit among them. Next, it gives proper direction. See, coordination integrates departmental activities for common goal. Common goal of the organization, we have already discussed. Common goal of the organization is to maximize the profit, or we can say to increase the sales, to build goodwill. These are the common goal of the organization. And my individual goal is to get the promotion, to work hard, to get best of it. Such type of things are at individual level, but why I'm working to achieve organization goals. So because of coordination it is possible to achieve common goal of the organization. The work is arranged in a very systematic way. The interdependence of departments gives proper direction to the employees. See, it is not like finance department doesn't need anyone's to communicate, or marketing department says that no, I don't want any department to communicate. This is not like that. They are totally interdependent. They are not independent. Remember this. They have to work together. There should be proper communication among them. Then only the organization will work without any conflict smoothly. So it gives proper direction. Because of coordination we will come to know what exactly our role is. Now next is it facilitates motivation. I have already told you, motivation means to motivate, means to encourage someone. Someone means employees. Coordination motivates the employees to take initiative while completing their assigned task. Competing means here it is completing their assigned task. Whatever the task has been given, because of coordination it is possible to make it complete. An effective coordination increases efficiency and results into growth and prosperity of the organization. जेवढं तुमच्याकडे चांगलं कोऑर्डिनेशन असणार, इफेक्टिव्ह म्हटलेलं आहे, त्याचा रिझल्ट काय होणार आहे? ग्रोथ अँड प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ दी ऑर्गनायझेशन. नेक्स्ट, optimum utilization of resources. Managers try to integrate all the resources systematically. Again, this point has appeared. Optimum utilization of resources means what? Whatever the resources you have, those resources are scarce in numbers. They are limited. Okay, so what manager will try to utilize the given resources in best possible manner. How it is possible? Without wastage. It helps in utilizing an available resources at its optimum level. Coordination also helps to minimize the wastage of resources and control the cost. Because of coordination, we will come to know that there are resources are limited. We will utilize it in a proper way. Next, achieve organizational objectives. We all know organization has common objective, all work for that objective only. Coordination leads to minimize the wastage of resources. Why? Wastage of resources means, already in the last point we have seen that because of coordination you will come to know about the resources, how we can utilize it, how it can be a cost effective. It ensures smooth working of the organization, the process of achieving the objectives of the organization. Smooth working, ते परत परत स्मूथ वर्किंग म्हणतात. सी प्रॉपर कोऑर्डिनेशन असेल तर ऑर्गनायझेशन स्मूथली रन होते. कोऑर्डिनेशन म्हणजे काय? मी एक सांगितलं, दुसऱ्याने वेगळंच ऐकलं, तिसऱ्याने काही त्यातलं विचारलंच नाही, असं मिसकम्युनिकेशन होत गेलं, then it will be difficult to handle the organization. So proper coordination should be there in each and every department, in each and every team, so that you can carry out the work smoothly. Students, we have finished 5 points. Next 5 points will be explained in next video. Thank you.